So the first thing comes with, this is just a little thing to help manage your cables. Just a little Velcro strap. This is a carrying bag, so the whole kit will fit in here for transportation. Just got little drawstrings. And this is the hub here. So, this is the first part that you'll attach to your WindLily, or to your water lily, I mean, to transform it into a wind turbine. So you attach it using these 3 Phillips head screws with little lock washers. And we'll do a video after this showing you how to assemble it. This is the cover. And inside here you have 6 of these super durable blades. And to use it is quite simple. You put them in, and there's a little bit of force here, but you snap them in place. Do it 6 times. You got to hear that snap. You can tell when the blade goes in, it's flat down here, it's touching down there. And then when you want to lock it all in place, you take the cover, and it has these little finger tabs here to help you tighten. You just do it nice and finger tight. And that's it. In the next video, we'll show you how to attach it to your water lily. If you need to contact us for any questions, please do so using support@waterlilyturbine.com.